y'all, welcome to my kitchen. It's me, Sydney, naturally Sydney if you really must know. And today we have the magnificent, the marvelous Rob Tannen of Signature Sudz.
How you guys doing today?
What's up? What are we making today?
Wow, today we're making our natural bleach.
Natural bleach. I wore black while we're making bleach.
But that's perfectly fine though, because you don't have to worry about the chlorine stains on that.
Really?
Yes, we don't use any chlorine.
So that means our bleach can be used on colors too?
Yes, it can.
Did you know?
We don't use toxins nor chemicals in our bleach, so you won't feel like you're dying when you're cleaning.
So what's in our kit for the bleach, sir?
So first of all, we have our recipe card, which is that there. We also give you a nice little label where you can write your name and it gives you all the ingredients of your product.
Homemade with love.
Oh yes. Number one, which is our guar gum.
What is guar gum?
Guar gum comes from a plant. It's a guar bean. They take the bean, and they take the seed out of it, and they crush it. It's been used for years as a natural thickener. In soap making, it helps to bond the ingredients and keeps everything mixed together evenly. It's safe, plant-based, and it keeps our products vegan.
You said something earlier about like the eggs to a cake. That's what this is?
Yeah, so it's pretty much like when you think about cake and how the egg holds the ingredients together, does the same thing to your liquids.
Yeah.
Yes.
So whatever ingredients we're putting in, that's going to help make it cohesive. I like that. Okay.
Yes.
Step number one. What is step number two?
Step number two is your washing soda.
Oh, okay.
And the cool part about the washing soda that we use for our bleach is it's scented.
Ooh, that smells good.
So we add the essential oil to your washing soda so you don't have to worry about essential oils.
And that is citrus?
It's a citrus, yes.
Okay.
The citrus actually helps aid with stains and it helps brighten your clothes as well.
Okay.
Washing soda is a natural powerhouse. It boosts stain fighting, deodorizes, and is even used as a fabric softener. Think of it as a secret ingredient that takes your cleaning game from basic to better.
Our soap base and washing soda helps brighten your clothes and remove stains from them.
Okay, and step number three?
Step number three, you can't make our bleach without the soap base. The soap base is something that we create in our lab, which is made from olive oil, coconut oil, and palm oil. And we use a potassium hydroxide to turn those oils into soap. So once it cooks down for about an hour to an hour and a half, you have no more oils. It's all soap.
Did you know the super secret soap base is used in most of Signature Sudz products? If you have the base, you can make anything. We will tell you how you can get your hands on some in a minute. So let's get ready to make some soap. Start with a decluttered, well-ventilated area. Put on your apron if you don't want to mess up the fit. And let's make sure we have everything we need. For the bleach, you're going to need filtered water, a small mixing bowl, a reusable spray bottle, and a funnel.
The first thing we're going to do is add our water.
And this is filtered?
Filtered water. You have to use filtered water because if you use anything other than that, you're going to end up with particles inside of your water, which can clog your pump and it also affect the cleanliness of the product.
Yeah, true.
Yes.
We don't know what's in that sink water. So we're going to start with, I assume, step number one.
Oh, yes.
Am I dumping this all the way in?
Well, you want to take it easy. With the guar gum, you want to put it in slowly.
Okay.
Because if you pour too much, it's going to clump up and you're done.
I've seen it happen.
Yes.
It was crazy. A little bit at a time.
Yep, a little bit at a time. Not too much.
And then mix as quickly as possible.
And we give you a little extra, so that way if you make a mistake, you can start over.
Let's see about this consistency. And this is safe to touch. Like,
yes, you can touch this. I mean, you touched it before you asked, but yes, it's safe to touch. It's all natural.
I'm curious, sorry.
Your washing soda is going to actually help thicken it a little bit more, and also the soap base.
So is the base. You're right. You're right. Okay. Next step, number two, is the good smelling washing soda. So we're just going to dump this whole thing in here?
Yes, and again, just do it slowly.
Okay.
And that smells great.
It literally smells so good.
Yes. You see how it's helping thicken it up a little bit?
I do. That went quick.
It smells really good.
Over time. So next is the step number three, our magic soap base.
And you want to take this and you want to...
I'm clumsy. Whoops.
You want to go ahead and flatten this out a little bit and put it in. You can dump it in like that, but it takes a little bit longer to dissolve. So when you flatten it out, it usually gives it about 5 to 10 minutes and it's pretty much done after that. And again, it smells really good.
It really does.
Did you know our natural bleach is a concentrate, which means you can dilute it for whatever purpose, whether you're whitening your clothes, cleaning your bathroom or kitchen, or even mopping the floor. Dilute it with water and make it last a whole lot longer. But don't you fret, it is still just as powerful.
All right, and that's it.
That's it. You're gonna let that dissolve, and then we're done with that.
Pour it into your bottle and you're done.
Oh yeah.
That's so simple. I love it. My real question is, why does normal bleach smell so crazy, and then this one like smells good?
Well, with your normal bleach, they're using all kind of chemicals. I mean, if you watch the way they create these things, they're using hazmat suits. We're not using any of that. Use nothing but natural ingredients, simple ingredients. It's non-toxic. And like I said, you can touch this. You can touch this and not worry about your hands being burnt or anything like that.
So it's still just as effective as normal bleach.
Yeah. With the citrus oil along with our soap, it creates the perfect disinfectant.
Okay. So I can use this on clothes, even cleaning my kitchen, my bathroom.
Yes. Floors, countertops, I mean, you name it.
So there's no limits to where I can use it.
There's no limit.
How you do that,
I know
Dad?
you said this is like non-toxic. Is this safe for my kids, my pets?
Oh, yes. With this, if we would hope you store it in a great spot, but if they happen to find it, you don't have to worry about anything.
Yeah. I mean, they shouldn't be drinking it, period, but
if they find it, it's not going to unalive them.
oh my God. Let's get this put into our bottle and see it in action, maybe? Yeah.
Oh,
okay.
yeah.
This is some of my whites after using it, and I instantly saw a difference. You're probably like, I don't see a difference, Erica, but I do. These are things I wash all the time. This shirt actually is supposed to be more of a cream color, and I think it made it a little whiter than I may have actually anticipated. I think that stuff really works, so I'm going to keep using it. I liked it because it doesn't have chlorines. I didn't have to worry about it coloring, miscoloring like my socks that have color on them, so I could put it in there, but I am impressed. Thank you guys for the product.
I almost passed out doing all this, but I only spent $15 plus the Signature Sudz natural bleach, which is a game changer. I'm going to clean it with the all natural bleach and let it sit for a good 10 minutes, scrub that on, and let it get bone dry before you do anything else. Not bad for my first time. I feel like I could do better, but baby girl, we did that.
Our monthly subscription box is a great way to keep your house stocked on all your household essentials. We offer small, medium, and large boxes to fit any family size. If you prefer your products already made, you can still order those online at signaturesudz.com. We ship nationwide right to your front door.
All orders over $35 ship for free nationwide, except Alaska and Hawaii. We're not shipping to you guys. It's too expensive. Which is that there. And then we also give you a nice little label.
What is Gargum?
So our Gargum is a...
What is Gargum?
Gargum is a...
More
Smells really good.
over time. Citrus. I'm sorry. That's an inside joke that nobody else knows. Anyway.